Well, we had an evidence for a very experienced attorney at law in the U.S. who basically established, on the basis of his decades of experience, what kind of treatment Julian would expect if he is extradited. And the bottom line in his testimony was that Julian Assange would not get a fair trial and justice in the United States. And he argued that in his long testimony and cross-examination. For example, he mentioned the mere fact that it is known that the indictment will be based upon classified documents, and Julian Assange will not have access to those documents. His lawyers will be able to ask for access and get access in a very limited way. They have to go to a certain place and be in a certain room to review those documents. Will be laid out in the case, but they will not be able to discuss these documents and what they reveal to the client, to Julian. So that goes to show what kind of a trial and what kind of justice Julian could be facing on the other side there. He also mentioned, of course, the frame and confirm what we heard before, that he is likely to face up to life imprisonment and spend the rest of his life in jail in the United States. And it is, in his view, as an attorney and a defense lawyer for all this time, that I believe he said minimum sentence would be, and according to sentencing guidelines, would be around 40 years. But that's minimum, and maximum being, of course, the rest of his life in prison.